Well, hello. It's John Neal here. It's Friday the 29th, I think. Yeah, 29th of May 2026. And I've come into Nuneaton Town Centre to see how the progress is going on with the demolition. Are they going to build anything yet? Who knows? Let's go and have a look. I'm walking through town. It's been very hot. Although this morning it was not too bad. But the sun's come out again now. It's quite pleasant. A little bit of wind. Hope it's not too much affecting the drone. But from the last video that I did about the demolition work in the building, they've put a lot of barriers up. And look over here at the old Debenhams building. They've put some screens up. Oh, and if you're watching other videos one after another, I just finished off the one where I went to Scotland, which was for 5 days on the train. Quite an experience. Right, let's just focus on what we're doing here and see what they're doing in the Debenhams building, because I do believe it's going to be some apartments. But since I've got my camera on a stick, I can lift it up and show you. And having done that, I'm quite sure I can see myself. Wandering up and down Bridge Street past the George Eliot pub with folk outside enjoying the sunshine. There's the Debenhams building up there, by the way. Let's just have a close look at these lots. It's been refurbished quite recently, and a good job too. Right, here's the Debenhams building, surrounded by the sort of scaffolding that means they're in business doing something. Right, further down, let's put the drone up. That's where the post office sorting office was. Look, it's all completely gone and reduced to rubble. And we have the Justice Centre, which is at the top of a hill in a way, a bit of a slope. The car park is now completely taken over by construction and demolition people. So let me just let the drone drift around from this point and looking down towards into town, which should be all completely clear. This will be a fascinating historical statement of what is going on, because as I turn around, you can see the old Debenhams building there, and all this is going to be changing. The buildings on the left will be different too. Anyway, enjoy the aerial shots. And just to give you the full perspective, this is the same area travelling back up towards the Justice Centre. Well, that's it for now from this update. Watch this space for another shot of what's going on in the developments in a couple of weeks' time. Thanks for watching.